You've probably heard the same advice over and over. Start investing, open a retirement account, use a brokerage, but nobody ever tells you which one to choose first. Should you put money into a 401k, a Roth IRA, or a regular brokerage account? And what if you only have a few $100s to start with? Here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, crystal clear flowchart that tells you exactly where your next investment dollar should go, step by step. And before we begin, here's a shocking truth. Most people lose tens of thousands of dollars because they choose the right accounts in the wrong order. We'll show you how to avoid that mistake later. Let's start by simplifying the 3 accounts you're choosing from. First, your 401k. This is your employer-sponsored retirement account. You put money in, it grows, and you take it out in retirement. The biggest perk is the employer match. That's free money, an instant return that no investment can beat. Next is your Roth IRA. This is your tax-free retirement account. You pay taxes now, the money grows, and you withdraw it tax-free forever. For long-term growth, especially for beginners, this is one of the most powerful accounts you can use. Finally, your brokerage account. This is your flexible investing account where you can buy stocks, ETFs, and index funds with no limits, no penalties, and no restrictions. But investment gains are taxed, so it comes last. So which one should you prioritize first? That's where the flowchart comes in. Here's the first step. Do you have a 401k match at work? If yes, contribute enough to get the full match and stop there for now. Don't put a single extra dollar in yet. An employer match is like getting your money instantly doubled. Nothing else comes close. If your employer offers no match, skip this step and move forward. Step 2 is to open and fund a Roth IRA. After grabbing your free match, your next priority is tax-free growth. A Roth IRA gives you tax-free withdrawals, flexible access to your contributions, full control over your investments, and typically very low fees. It's long-term wealth on autopilot. Step 3 is to go back to the 401k. Once your Roth IRA is funded, return to your 401k and contribute more, but only if the investment options are good and the fees are fair. The 401k becomes a powerful tax tool after you've captured the match and filled your Roth. Step 4 is to invest in a brokerage account. Only after you've done the first 3 steps should you send money here. Brokerages are perfect for investing for financial freedom, for goals outside of retirement, and for building wealth with no limits. But because it's taxable, it goes last in priority. So here's the full flowchart in one line. Match, then Roth, then more into the 401k, then the brokerage. Remember how overwhelming everything felt at the beginning? Now you're about to have the clearest strategy you've ever had. But before we wrap up, here's the one mistake that costs people the most money. They invest heavily into just one account, usually the brokerage, without understanding the tax benefits or free money that the other accounts offer. If you skip the match, you lose free money. If you skip the Roth, you pay taxes you didn't need to. If you skip the 401k entirely, you might end up paying more tax today and more tax later. The wrong order leads to less growth and higher taxes. The right order gives you faster compounding, more flexibility, and way more long-term wealth. If you remember only one thing from this entire video, let it be this. The smartest investors don't just pick accounts, they pick the right order. Match, Roth, 401k, brokerage. Now that you know the ultimate flowchart, your next step is simple. Check your employer match, open your Roth IRA, and follow the order we laid out. Your financial future will look completely different once you do. If you want to stop guessing and start building your financial legacy, hit subscribe for more Networth Inc. wealth blueprints every week.